Good morning, dear students. Today's explanation is on Chapter 13, Percentage. Percentage is used in everyday life. You must have heard about these things. I got 75% marks in maths exam. This year, the crop production increased by 25%. Or, there is 50% discount on the shoes. So, it is really important to understand about percentage. Let us understand what it actually means. Percent. A percent is a fraction, but it is a special type of fraction. In this fraction, the denominator is always same and is a constant value which is 100. It doesn't matter what the numerator is, but the denominator will always be 100. When we want to represent this fraction in the form of percentage, we just remove 100 from below and put percentage symbol by the side of the numerator. This means 3 by 100 is the same thing as 3%. For example, 5 by 100 is written as 5%. The term percent means per, which means for every, and cent means 100. So, percent means for every 100. Let us now understand how to convert fractions into percentage. We know that in a fraction with denominator as 100, the numerator can be written as percentage. Now, converting fractions into percentage. Convert 3 by 4 to percent. Step 1. Find a number. You can multiply the bottom of the fraction to get 100. For example, 3 by 4. 4 multiplied by 25 as well as 3 into 25. After multiplying, we get as 75 by 100. Then write down just the top number with the percentage sign. Thus, 3 by 4 equals to 75%. Now, converting ratios to percentage. We will follow same steps for converting a ratio into a percentage. Convert 6:5 to percent. Step 1. Convert the given ratio into the fraction x by y. 6:5 equals to 6 by 5. Multiply the below number 5 by 20 to get 100 as denominator, and therefore multiply the numerator also by 20. We get 120 by 100. Therefore, 6 by 5 is equal to 120%. Now, converting decimals into percentage. The one easy step to convert decimal to percent is to multiply by 100. That is, to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Now, let us take an example. Convert 0.125 to percent. Multiply 0.125 by 100. Just move the decimal point to 2 places on the right as shown on the screen. 0.125 into 100 is equal to 12.5%. So, to convert a decimal to percentage, we just move the decimal point to 2 decimal places towards the right side and put the percent symbol. Let us learn how to convert percentage into fractions. For example, convert 11% to a fraction. Step 1. Write number with percent symbol in the division form with denominator 100. 11% can be written as 11 by 100. In this case, the fraction cannot be simplified further. Therefore, the fraction 11 by 100 is the required answer. Now, converting percentage into a ratio. We will follow similar steps as in the previous example. Convert 46% into ratio. Step 1. Convert the given percentage into fraction by dividing it by 100 and removing the percentage symbol. For example, 46% is converted to a fraction as 46 divided by 100. Simplifying 46 by 100 gives 23 by 50. Next, write the fraction as a ratio. So, 23 by 50 can be written as 23:50. Next, converting percentage into decimal. Let us understand the relation between percent and decimal with this graph sheet. Percent means for each 100 or for per 100. For example, 50% means 50 shaded blocks out of 100 blocks. Therefore, 50% is equal to 50 by 100. If we divide 50 by 100, we get 0.5. So, to convert from a percent to decimal, divide by 100 and remove the percent sign. Let us take an example. Convert 75% into decimal. We write 75% as a fraction, which gives 75 by 100. Now, to convert from percent to decimal, we move 2 places to the left and remove the percentage sign. Therefore, 75 by 100 equals to 0.75. Thank you.